I know why you have clicked on this video. Of course, to make money while you're asleep, which is known as passive income. Well, I am going to tell you some absolute amazing 5 passive income ideas, which will help you make money. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel, where we explore the exciting world of passive income domination. Today, I have an absolute treat for you. We're going to dive into 5 genius ideas that have the potential to make you rich overnight. Yes, you heard it right. Get ready for a life-changing journey. I'm your host, Charlie Hustle. Yes, Charlie is my name, and hustling is my game, and I can't wait to share these incredible strategies with you. Now you guys must be thinking what passive income means? Well, don't worry. I'm going to tell you. Passive income is a type of income that you can earn without actively working for it, but it doesn't mean that you don't have to work. You really need to work your butt off to get results. Like a great man once said, no pain, no gain. Anyway, it's a way to make money while you sleep, so to speak. Passive income can come from a variety of sources, including investments, rental properties, online businesses, and more. So here are the 5 passive income ideas which can make you rich overnight. Our first genius idea takes us to the realm of online businesses. Imagine owning an automated e-commerce store that generates income while you enjoy your morning coffee. It's entirely possible through dropshipping, a business model where you sell products without ever holding inventory. I'll guide you through the process, from finding profitable niches to partnering with reliable suppliers, ensuring that you're set up for success in another video. Now, my personal experience with dropshipping is just okay. I mean, I did good, but not able to convert it as a passive income, but I will make it my source of passive income. See, that type of mindset you should have. I have seen many people making their dropshipping business automated and earning passive income. This business model is for those who have little investment for stores and websites like Shopify. It can pay you great, but you have to really learn about it. Moving on to our second genius idea, creating and selling digital products. In today's digital age, the demand for ebooks, online courses, and digital downloads is skyrocketing. Whether you have a talent for writing, a passion for teaching, or expertise in a particular field, this idea allows you to leverage your skills and knowledge to earn passive income. I'll share valuable tips on creating captivating digital products and marketing them effectively to maximize your profits. Our third genius idea transports us to the world of real estate investment. But don't worry, you won't need a hefty down payment or deal with the hassles of being a landlord. We're talking about real estate investment trusts, REITs. By investing in publicly traded REITs, you can own a diversified portfolio of properties and earn regular dividends without the headaches of property management. Get ready for our fourth genius idea that combines technology and creativity, building and monetizing a YouTube channel. Yes, you can turn your passion, knowledge, or even your entertaining personality into a thriving source of passive income. From growing your subscriber base to leveraging sponsorships and ad revenue, I'll share insider secrets and strategies to help you succeed in the competitive world of YouTube. My personal experience with YouTube is genuinely great. I have created multiple YouTube channels and earned it as a source of my passive income. I mean it, it's really a great source of income. My upcoming videos will be related to earning money from YouTube. So, make sure to subscribe. Last but not least, our fifth genius idea revolves around the world of dividend stocks. By investing in high-yield dividend stocks, you can earn regular payouts and potentially build a substantial income stream. I'll provide you with practical tips on analyzing dividend stocks, diversifying your portfolio, and capitalizing on compounding interest to ensure your wealth keeps growing. And there you have it, my friends. 5 genius ideas that have the potential to make you rich overnight. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick, but rather about setting up systems that work for you while you focus on what truly matters in life. So, are you ready to embark on this journey to passive income domination? Let's do this together. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on passive income strategies. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep dominating that passive income game. Take care and see you soon.